Essential travel tips for beginners. Your ultimate guide. Today, we're talking travel. That first trip you take without your family or the first time you leave your home country. So, if you're ready to ditch the tourist traps and experience the world like a pro, stick around. Hit that like button if you're excited to explore. And let's jump right into the tips that'll turn you from a travel newbie to a seasoned globetrotter. All right, first things first. Before you even think about packing a suitcase, we gotta talk research. This is the foundation of a great trip. Research is more than just a quick Google search. It's about diving deep into the essence of your destination. What makes it unique? What stories does it hold? I'm talking about really understanding the place you're about to visit. This means knowing its history, its culture, and its people. What are the local customs? What's the weather like? What's the currency? These are basic questions, but they can make a huge difference in your travel experience. What about the visa requirements? Some countries have strict entry rules and you don't want to be caught off guard. Make sure your passport is up to date and check if you need any special permits. These are all things you need to know before you even step foot on a plane. Being prepared means less stress and more enjoyment. Trust me, the more prepared you are, the smoother your trip will be. You'll breeze through airports, navigate new cities with ease, and truly immerse yourself in the experience. And don't forget to check out the must-see attractions. These are the highlights that define your destination. What's on your bucket list? Is it visiting iconic landmarks, or perhaps something more adventurous? Ancient ruins, epic hikes. These experiences can be life-changing and give you stories to tell for years. Maybe it's just finding the best local coffee shop. Sometimes, the simplest pleasures are the most memorable. Having a rough plan, even if you deviate from it, which you totally should, will help you make the most of your time. Flexibility is key to discovering unexpected gems. But here's the thing, don't just stick to the tourist traps. Dig a little deeper. Look for off-the-beaten-path experiences. Ask locals for recommendations. They often know the best spots that aren't in the guidebooks. Get excited about the destination. The anticipation is part of the journey. The more you know, the more you'll look forward to the adventure. The more you know, the more you'll appreciate the experience. Knowledge enriches your travels, turning a simple trip into a profound journey. So, do your homework and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Okay, let's talk about everyone's least favorite part, packing. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be a nightmare. In fact, packing light is the key to travel freedom. Think about it, the less you carry, the more agile you are. So how do you actually pack light? It's all about being strategic. First things first, lay out everything you think you need. Then, cut it in half. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. And roll, don't fold. It saves space and helps prevent wrinkles. Remember, you can always wash your clothes on the go. Packing light is all about prioritizing experiences over stuff. All right, let's talk about something super important, keeping your valuables safe. First things first, make photocopies of everything. Your passport, your visa, your driver's license, even your credit cards. Keep one set of copies separate from the originals in your bag, and leave another set with a trusted friend or family member back home. Now, when it comes to carrying your valuables, accessibility is key. Invest in a good money belt or travel pouch that you can wear comfortably under your clothes. For everyday spending money, keep a small amount in a separate wallet or pocket. Remember, safety first. Keep your valuables close, be smart, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your essentials are secure. Chapter 4, Speak Like a Local, Sort of. The power of a few phrases. Even learning a few basic phrases can go a long way. Start with the essentials. Hello, goodbye, please, thank you, excuse me, and yes or no. These simple phrases can get you through a lot of everyday interactions. Trust me, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, the effort will be appreciated. So, download a language learning app, grab a phrase book, or even just ask a local to teach you a few words. Chapter 5. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Water is your travel buddy, especially when you're traveling, hopping on planes, exploring new cities, and maybe even indulging in a few too many local beverages. It's easy to forget to drink enough water. The excitement of new adventures can often make us overlook the basics, but hydration should never be compromised. But trust me, staying hydrated is crucial for your health and your overall travel experience. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even more serious health issues, which can put a damper on your travel plans. Make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but it also ensures you have access to water whenever you need it. Most airports and train stations have water fountains where you can refill for free. This is a great way to stay hydrated without constantly buying bottled water, which can be expensive and wasteful. If you're traveling to a destination with questionable tap water, pack some water purification tablets or a portable water filter. These tools are lightweight and can be a lifesaver, ensuring you always have safe drinking water. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most important things you can do to take care of yourself while traveling. It keeps your energy levels up, helps you stay alert, and allows you to fully enjoy every moment of your journey. So, make water your travel buddy and keep sipping throughout your adventures. Chapter 6: The Secret Stash Money Belts and the Art of Discreet Security. In this chapter, we delve into the world of money belts, a traveler's best-kept secret for keeping valuables safe and secure. Think of it like this. A money belt is like your own personal, invisible safe that you can wear comfortably under your clothes. It's designed to be discreet, ensuring that your most important items are always close to you and out of sight from potential thieves. Now, there are tons of different money belts out there, so find one that works for you. They come in various styles, sizes, and materials, each offering different levels of comfort and security. Some are designed to be worn around the waist, while others can be strapped to your leg or even hidden in your clothing. When it comes to what to keep in your money belt, I recommend reserving it for your most important and irreplaceable items. This includes your passport, your visa, and any other critical travel documents. These are items that you simply cannot afford to lose while traveling. Emergency cash in small denominations, which can be a lifesaver in situations where you need quick access to money without having to find an ATM or bank. And maybe even a backup credit card. Having a backup credit card can be incredibly useful if your primary card gets lost or stolen. It ensures that you always have a way to access funds. Remember, a money belt is only effective if you use it properly. Make sure it's worn close to your body and under your clothes to keep it hidden. Regularly check that it's secure and that the contents are intact. Trust me, investing in a good money belt is one of the smartest things you can do to ensure a stress-free and enjoyable travel experience. It provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip rather than worrying about the safety of your valuables. So, next time you pack for a trip, don't forget to include a reliable money belt in your travel gear. Okay, let's talk about something that nobody wants to think about, but everyone needs: travel insurance. Think about it. Unexpected things happen. Flights get canceled, luggage gets lost, people get sick, and accidents happen. That's where travel insurance comes in. A good travel insurance policy will cover you for a wide range of scenarios, including medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost or stolen luggage, and even emergency evacuations. Don't wait until it's too late. Get travel insurance. Trust me, it's worth it. All right, let's talk about something that's super important, no matter where you're traveling: staying safe. First things first, trust your gut. If something feels off, if a situation or a person makes you uncomfortable, remove yourself. When you're exploring a new city or town, be mindful of your surroundings. Avoid walking alone at night, especially in unfamiliar or poorly lit areas. And speaking of letting people know your whereabouts, share your itinerary with a friend or family member back home. Remember, staying safe while traveling is all about being aware, being prepared, and trusting your instincts. All right, let's revisit the importance of making copies of your important documents. Before you even leave home, make photocopies of everything. Now here's the important part. Don't keep your originals and your copies together. Store them separately. Keep your originals in a safe and secure place like your money belt or your hotel safe. And keep your copies in a separate bag, your carry-on luggage, or even leave a set with a trusted friend or family member back home. Trust me, having those copies will be a lifesaver. All right, let's talk about itineraries. One of the most magical things about traveling is embracing the unknown, stumbling upon hidden gems, and allowing yourself to go with the flow. So while it's good to have a general outline of your trip, don't be afraid to be spontaneous. Leave room for flexibility, for those unexpected adventures that pop up along the way. That's the beauty of travel, my friends. It's about saying yes to new experiences, about letting go of the need to control every detail, and about allowing yourself to be surprised. Trust me, you won't regret it. And there you have it, my friends. Those are my top 10 essential travel tips for beginners. Remember, traveling is all about embracing new experiences, stepping outside of your comfort zone, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more travel adventures and advice. And don't forget to share it with your travel buddies. Until next time, safe travels and happy adventures.